This is a video about creating a folder so that you have all of your information stored in one place for your first unit. First, we are going to go to your Google Drive. You can click the Google Drive button on your Chromebook, or you could go to drive.google.com. You will come to your drive. I have a lot of stuff in my drive. You will have whatever has already been in your drive. Now, to create a new folder, which is what you will be doing, you will see this big button that says New with a plus on it. Click that button. This window pops up that has a bunch of different things that you can create, and the very top one is folder. So you are going to create a new folder. Let's click there. Now this window comes up and you are going to title your folder. Our first unit is about a long walk to water. So we are going to title our folder 1 period a long walk to water. When you type that in, that will be the title of your folder. So click Create, and your folder will pop up. Yours might be at the top of your list, but you should see your folder. Now you will store all of your documents that you need for this whole unit inside this Google folder.